Hello, and welcome to a little video about converting degrees and radians. Converting between degrees and radians. Now this is going to come very much in handy, especially next year when we do a bit more trigonometry and look at the unit circle where degrees and radians are going to be a big deal. So let's convert some degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Right. Let's begin by converting radians to degrees. All right, number one, let's convert 2 pi over 3 to degrees. What we're going to do is multiply 2 pi over 3 by 180 over pi. The way I remember how to multiply it is if it has pi's already, we want to make sure to cancel the pi's, so we want one on top, one on the bottom. All right, next I'm just going to continue in reducing this fraction. I can reduce 3 and 180 to 1 and 60. That's about as far as I can go. I multiply straight across and I get 120 degrees. Okay, let's try number 3. Why not? Okay, 65 pi over 36. Okay, 65 pi over 36. We want it in degrees, so that means I want to get rid of the pi's. Pi on the bottom, 180 on top. All right, pi's canceled. Beautiful. All right, now let's see how we can reduce this. I can reduce 36 and 180 because 36 times 5 is 180. All right, that's pretty much it. There's nothing left on the bottom. 65 times 5 gives me 325 degrees. Let's do one more for good measure. 3 is a nice number. All right, 5 pi over 4. I want to get rid of the pi's, so pi is on the bottom, 180 on top. Farewell, pi. Pi. All right, can we reduce 4 and 180? We sure can. 4 times 45 is 180. Okay. That's about it, because the bottom is completely reduced now. 5 times 45 is 225 degrees. Now, let's go the opposite direction. Oh, and you can do this all in your calculator, at least from radians to degrees. I can show you how if you ask me personally. All right, let's convert 240 degrees to radians. All right, since 240 doesn't have a pi, I'm going to give it a pi by multiplying it by pi over 180. Notice how I did 240 over 1? I just like keeping my whole... if I'm multiplying by a fraction, I like seeing fraction times fraction. 240 is a whole number. Any whole number can be written as that number over 1. Okay, so I want to make sure the pi stays, but let's reduce 240 and 180. First, I'm just going to cancel out those zeros. So I have 24 and 180, 24 and 18, which I can reduce by 6. So that would be 4 and 3. That's about it. 4 pi over 3. Ooh, okay, let's try 90. 90 over 1. I want it to have a pi, so pi over 180. Ooh, 90 times 2 is 180. So pi over 2. Nice. Ooh, 360. Let's do 360. 360 over 1. So recall that 360 is a full circle, right? So let's see what a full circle is in radians. We can reduce 360 and 180 because 180 times 2 is 360. So in radians, 360 degrees is 2 pi. How nice. Okay, so I hope this was helpful in seeing how we convert from radians to degrees and degrees to radians. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me or your teacher. Otherwise, have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.